Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I didn't think I was actually finishing up that many products in October, but now that I have my empties all laid out in front of me, I'm just like, okay, not too bad. I have about 20 products here, so that's pretty exciting. I have everything from like hair care, body care, skin care, home stuff, makeup, so a little bit of everything. So I'm just going to start off with hair care because that's the biggest category, I think, and that's what's closest to me. So first product, which I included in my like August, September favorites. If you want to check out my October favorites, I'll have that video linked down below, as well as the August and September ones. I mentioned this dry shampoo, and it is the Collab Volume Extreme Dry Shampoo, and I love it. This might be my favorite dry shampoo ever. I don't even know if I can get it anymore because I got it on like a crazy sale for $2. Anyways, it was so good. I would definitely repurchase it if I could. It's in the New York scent. I have the Volume Extreme Dry Shampoo in a different scent, so I'm hoping it works out just as well because this was absolutely a dream product. Like, it gave me volume. It definitely made my hair look refreshed. I could still comb through it. It was still soft to the touch, but it really absorbed all my oils. And I have some dry shampoos that I use them and then the next day I have to use it again. This, like, it lasted. I didn't have to keep reapplying every day. It was amazing. This next product might look familiar because I had it in my Anything But Makeup rolling project for a while, but I took it out. And this was the Dove Style & Care Flexible Hold Hairspray. I've been working on this since January. It took me like 10 months to finish this product, and I finally did. And before this, hairspray was not really a part of my routine, but I found that I really liked using it if I did like a sleek high ponytail. It really helped keep like everything nice and sleek. Or if I wanted my hair to be wavy, I would like put it in a braid and like hairspray my braid so it would keep that like waviness throughout the day, because I have very straight hair which tends to go very straight very fast unless I do something to it. So this was really nice to help me kind of keep a bit of wave and like body to my hair. So I really liked it. I'm not sure if I would purchase it. I have some other hairsprays and like texturizing sprays to get through first before I even need to think about buying anything else, but I did enjoy it. I would 100% pick up this next product again. This is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist 3 times moisture in 3 minutes. It's a deep conditioner. So once a week I would do a clarifying shampoo and then I would use this, and my hair always just felt so nice and soft and rejuvenated. I really enjoyed how this made my hair feel. So I would 100% purchase this again. I really liked it. Next product, well, they kind of go together. These are the Arctic Fox Semi-Permanent Hair Color, and I have Girls Night and Periwinkle. And I kind of mixed these two colors together along with a little bit of Manic Panic, the really deep purple one, and some conditioner, which helped me get this hair color here. It was a bit more vibrant when I first did it. This is like a week old at this point. My hair tends to like not hold on to dye, but this is the best it's ever worked, and this is the first time I used Arctic Fox, so I would definitely, if I'm looking to dye my hair again, repurchase Arctic Fox. I think it did such a good job, especially with actually having my hair hold the color, because other times I've dyed my hair using just Manic Panic and conditioner. Not that I think it's Manic Panic's fault. I think I have too bright of a shade, so I dilute it a lot, and I think that much conditioner just makes it not work out. But I enjoy the Arctic Fox ones. I think it went on really nice, so I'm really happy with how my hair turned out finally. On to some Bath & Body stuff, also from my Anything But Makeup project. Well, all these like the Bath & Body stuff is, so I'll link that project down below, the playlist, in case you're interested. But this is the Willows and Bloom Lavender Shower Gel. These shower gels aren't anything special. I had a gift set, so that's why I was trying to finish them up, but I would not repurchase, and this is the last one, so I'm so happy about that. And last from that section, I have 4 little bubble baths: Sunday grape, Wednesday orange, Friday apple, and Monday watermelon. And I finally finished all these up. This is like the worst bubble bath in the world. 1 bottle isn't even enough bubbles to fill a whole bathtub. It's kind of disappointing. It's definitely aimed at kids, but it was a gift I got, so I was trying to use it up, but I would not repurchase and definitely would not recommend, like, avoid at all costs. On to some home type stuff. I finished up this hand wash. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Coconut Eucalyptus Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with white tea and ginseng extract. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. 1, it smells amazing. 2, it made my hands so soft. I never really purchased from Bath & Body Works before, like a bit here and there, but this was the first year I went to their like really big sale, and I picked up a bunch of hand soaps, and this was one of them, and I loved it so much. I totally get what the hype is about now, because before I just felt like huge things from like the dollar store or like the drugstore, like the huge ones that you just like refill, and like they work fine, but this was just like such a nice experience. Like I thoroughly enjoyed this, especially this scent. Yeah, I 100% will pick it up again. I hope I'm able to find it on sale in December. It was so good. It was amazing. Now on to skincare. Well, first I have some cotton rounds. These are from Primark. These are the round cosmetic ones. I just hauled these I should say I hauled like this product a few months ago from London, but this isn't one of those. This is actually what I purchased like a year and a half ago when I lived there. So I finally like used it up because now I have like 4 more, and I really like them. They're like my favorite cotton rounds. They don't get too like fluffy when you use them for your face, and I think they work really well for nail polish removal, so I really do like them. I finished 2 masks. The first one is from my Anything But Makeup rolling project, and that is the Tea Tree Witch Hazel with Active Charcoal Facial Mask. And I don't know how I feel about this. It's supposed to detoxify the skin, right? So whenever I use it, I actually get a lot of breakouts. So I'm not sure if that's just like all my impurities coming to the skin surface, or if the product just doesn't work for me. So I don't really know. I'm kind of like on it. Anyways, it's from Boots, so I can't repurchase it anyways. If I had the ability to repurchase it, I mean, I definitely wouldn't at this time. I have so many face masks, and I really don't think it's one I could see myself coming back to. But when I was first getting into masking, I think this was like a nice, inexpensive option to try. Another mask I finished up is from Sephora. This is the Green Tea Sleeping Mask. It's just this big. It's 8 milliliters. It comes in this little thing. And just to tell you what it's supposed to do, it's a mask enriched with natural green tea leaf extract that effectively absorbs excess sebum, purifies skin, and reduces the appearance of imperfections. So it's definitely great if you have oily skin that is acne prone, which is my skin type to a T. Anyways, so because it is a sleeping mask, I would put on like a layer of this instead of a moisturizer at night and just let it sink in overnight and like rinse it off in the morning if there's any like still floating around. It ended up lasting me like 5 nights. I don't know if like you're supposed to put on a really thick layer, but I would put on like I guess like a thinnish layer, but I felt that like my skin was fully like covered by it and it absorbed well throughout the night. I didn't feel like, oh, I wasn't getting results because I didn't put enough on. So this little thing ended up lasting me 5 nights instead of just 1 use. So that was really great. I really enjoyed it. I felt like it did help my acne look a bit better. I'm not sure about the oil production per se, but definitely I felt like with my acne and my blemishes, it was definitely really helpful for that. So I would really purchase that again, and I'm excited to try out more from the Sephora, like the sleeping mask line. It was kind of my first foray into sleeping masks, and I really liked it. Also on like the acne boat, we have the Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel, maximum strength. This is a benzoyl peroxide treatment. I think it worked okay, as good as any other benzoyl peroxide treatment. You can just get a generic one. They honestly all do the same thing. I like benzoyl peroxides for more cystic type acne, though it can be a bit drying, so just keep that in mind if you suffer with dry skin. I did find my skin would get dry and flaky with this, especially because I was using a benzoyl peroxide cleanser and toner as well. So just a lot of that ingredient was on my face, so it definitely did lead to some drying out. But I just used an oil on top as my moisturizer, and I find that that really helped with it. I'm not sure I would repurchase it right away, but benzoyl peroxide is something I like to have on hand, so it's not, I think I would purchase like the ingredient again, but not sure I would splurge for like the Neutrogena one if the generic one is less. And last, for skincare, the eye cream I finished up was from Caudalie. This is the Premier Crew eye cream. I cut it open and like completely finished it up. In April, I bought like a Sephora favorites type of like box with a bunch of skincare stuff, and this came in it. I thought it did a decent enough job. It was hydrating to the under eyes, but I didn't notice anything special in terms of like dark circles or wrinkles, so I wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase this. I'm still in the hunt for like holy grail eye cream. Lastly, onto makeup. Only one of these products is from my Finish 18 and 2018 Project Pan. I'll link the playlist down below in case you're interested, and that is the Bebe perfume refill. Looks like this, comes in this. So because I finished this off, I have started a perfume sample project. I'll link the intro to that down below in case you want to check it out. This was an alright scent. I got it as a gift. Honestly, it's not my favorite. It was fine, but it's definitely something I wouldn't repurchase. However, I do have a refill of it, so I do have another 30 ml little thing to get through, which is fine. I'll use it, but honestly, I don't know if like when I first got this, when I first started using it, I had a cold, but whenever I spray it, like my nose feels like I'm about to sneeze a little bit. I don't know if it's like a reaction to that or if it's like a memory thing, but I don't know. It's kind of a weird association I have with it. So not my favorite scent. It was fun and I wore it and I enjoyed wearing it, but I wouldn't be sad if I didn't have the refill, if you get what I mean. This next product I finished up in my summer project pan, but I totally forgot to include it in my empties. And this is the Natural Collection Lash Definition Mascara, which you can get from Boots. I really enjoyed this. It's just a natural bristle wand. Looks like this. And I think it did a really great job of defining my lashes. It gave it a little bit of length. It didn't give it too much volume, and I really do like voluminous lashes. But if I was doing like a really more like subtle makeup or everyday makeup, I thought having a mascara that focused more so on definition and lengthening looked really pretty versus just like full lashes all the time, even though that kind of is my go-to look. So I really did enjoy it. I thought about picking up another one when I was in London, but I have so many mascaras that I don't have open that I was like, I will probably be back in London before I get through all my mascaras. So I didn't pick up another one, but I really did enjoy it. This little product was in a project a while ago, and this is my Born Lippy, the Body Shop. This is the Raspberry Lip Balm, and I completely finished it up. I am so happy about this. I was using it every single night before bed, and I'm really happy to have finished it up. I honestly did not find it to be that hydrating to my lips. I would wake up, my lips would be so dry. I would put it on, and even like, if I put it on not right before bed, but maybe like 20 minutes before, I'd be going to bed, I'd be like, did I put it on? I think I need to put it on again, because I just do not find them hydrating. I don't enjoy them. I don't like things that come in the container. I just think it's not the most sanitary, which is why I only really used it before going to bed, because I knew my hands were clean. So it's not something I feel like I can carry around with me. So it's really hard to get through. There's a lot of product in here. It definitely lasts you a long time, so that's great. If you're just looking for, if you don't have overly dry lips and you're just looking for a little extra something before bed, I think this could be a good product, but I just think it's not the best product. And lastly, I finished up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle in the shade Fair. I love this color. So I had in my Finish 18 in 2018 earlier this year the neutral shade, and that is very yellow undertoned, and or the neutralizer, anyways, I just did not think it really worked for me. The Fair one I really like. It's a little bit more pink tone, but not overly, and I just felt like it was great for actually matching my skin. So if I had blemishes, it was really great for using this cover up for that. It still did give a bit of brightening under the eye, so I felt like I could use this under the eye and on my face, which was really great when you're just like in a hurry and you don't want to have two different types of concealers. So I really liked it for that. I do think I would pick up another one of these for sure once I've gone through more concealers. Right now I'm trying not to pick up things if I already have other items that could take their place, but when it comes to me going through my concealers, I could definitely see me picking this product up again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what products you finished up this month. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!